Hi lovely guys. Today I'll show you 3 easy ways to restore deleted notes on an Android phone. This video is going to be very informative, so make sure to watch it till the end. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. First, open the Google Keep app. On the top left you'll see 3 lines menu icon. Press on that. In the menu, you'll find an option called Deleted or Trash. This section shows all the notes you've removed. Keep in mind, deleted notes stay here for 7 days before being permanently deleted automatically. Once you're in the deleted section, you'll see all your deleted notes. Open each note one by one. At the bottom, you'll see 3 dots. Press there and then press Restore. Your note will now be restored back to the main notes list. If this method doesn't work for you, try the next one. Go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and go to Google. Then press on Backup. Now press the backup button again, and here too, make sure the apps option is visible and included. After completing this backup, open the Google Keep app again. Go to the 3 lines on the top left and enter the deleted section. Hopefully, by now, your notes have been restored. If this method doesn't work for you, try the next one. Go to your phone settings. At the top, you'll see a search icon. Press on it. Now search for Account and Backup and select it. Here, you'll see an option called Backup Data. Backing up your data means saving a copy of your phone's important info, like photos, contacts, apps, and settings, so you can restore it later if needed. Press on Backup Data, and make sure the toggle for apps is turned on, especially for the app that contains your notes. Then scroll down and press on Backup Now. Once the backup is complete, go back to the Google Keep app and check if your notes have been restored. As you can see, when I backed up my messages, all my messages reappeared. If you run into any issues, be sure to tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.